Now I'm going to share with you one of my very favorite advanced features called the Ken Burns effect and how you can have some creative control over it. I'm going to tap this first image and you'll see the filters pop up because that's the last tool we used. Another tool is called Actions with the scissors icon. When I tap that, you may have noticed that on the viewer, where the big large image of the ferret is, some text popped up. And if I tap these little arrows, you see pinch to position the start and pinch to position the end. What this does is it allows you to choose the starting and end point of each particular image in your story. So as it is being played, you have thought about how you want the image to move. So there's three creative uses of this that I'm going to share with you today. One is the zoom, one is the reveal, and then another is simply the pan. So the zoom is where you would start by having the image sort of zoomed out. Now I'm going to tap pinch to position the end, and this is where the image is going to end. So if I want to zoom in on the face, for example, I would put it there. So now if I press play, you'll see it'll slowly zoom into the face, drawing more attention and focus on the animal's face. And you can think that's probably something that you would want the viewer to experience at various times when viewing images, to zero in on a particular attribute. The pan is one where you simply have the camera sort of pan across the screen. And for this one, let's say I start the tractor sort of over here to the left. Now I'll tap pinch to position the end. And I'll have it sort of end over here, so sort of make it look like the tractor is moving across the screen. So now you'll see it's almost like the camera pans across, which means sort of moving side to side. And then finally, I want to show the reveal. Here is a great image to use the reveal. The reveal is sort of opposite of the zoom. What you want to do is you want to start zoomed in. So tap this image in the viewer. Use your fingers to zoom in. And if I get it just enough to the left, you don't see the fur of the second ferret next to it. Now I'll go to the end point and I want to reveal the other two ferrets. So now we start here and the person sees that cute ferret, and then all of a sudden, oh, there's a second ferret. And then a third ferret is revealed. So that is how you can use the Ken Burns effect to draw attention to attributes, to reveal surprising information, and to just control the visual imagery that your viewer is paying attention to.